She'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too.
Yay!
Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? Look at these. I have some paper and I have some colors. So I'm going to do some drawing. Let's start with the first one, and that will be a rainbow. Yay! So exciting and so colorful. Rainbows are really, really fun.
Yay!
Now I'm going to draw the lines for the rainbow. I will use gray, pink, one is pink, green, two is green,
Yay!
blue, third one is blue, yellow, number 4 is yellow,
Yay!
red, number 5 is red. And the last color, I will choose something really nice, and that will be one of my favorite colors, purple.
Yay! Whoa!
6 for purple. Now I will color the clouds with this beautiful shade of blue. I have an idea. I will draw some siblings, a girl and a boy. Here we have 2 siblings, a girl and a boy. Look at that, Gigi. Aren't they cute? And they're so happy because their mouth is like this. It's a smiley face. Wow. I have another idea. I will draw a teddy bear.
Whoa!
Teddy bear. And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.